Alright, in this video, the objective is to be able to define and explain prime and composite numbers. Okay, so first off, a couple of definitions. A prime number, you should write this down. A prime number is a number that only has, or exactly has, two factors. A number that has only two factors. So you can think of the number 2. The factors of 2 are 1 and 2. So 1 times 2 is 2. Those are the only two numbers that can multiply together to equal the number 2. Also, 3 is a prime number. 1 times 3. 4 is not a prime number because you can have 1 times 4 or you could have 2 times 2. So the factors of 4 are 1, 2, and 4, therefore is not a prime number. Interestingly enough, 1 is not a prime number because 1 times 1 is 1, but that's only one factor, so we don't consider 1 a prime number. So prime numbers are numbers that only have exactly two factors that multiply with each other to get that number. And then a composite number is numbers that have more than two factors. So again, I already used the example of 4. 1, 2, and 4 are all factors of 4. Therefore, it is not a prime number. It is a composite number. Another composite number might be 12. You have the factors of 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. That would be a composite number because it has more than two factors. Okay, so prime and composite number. How to find out if a number is prime or composite? Well, let's use the example 37. Okay, what I would do first is take that number 37, and then I would think, well, first off, you know that any even number, obviously except for 2, any other even number is going to not be prime because it's divisible by 2. 4 is divisible by 2, 6 is divisible by 2 and 3, 8 is divisible by 2 and 4. So any even number is not going to be prime. So this is not even, so we're okay there. And then I would just start going up the other lower prime numbers that we know. Is 37 divisible by 3? No, I don't think so. Is 37 divisible by 4? Well, 4 is not a prime number, so we don't have to worry about that, and it's also divisible by 2. Is 37 divisible by 5? No, I don't think so. Is it divisible by 7? No, I don't think 37 is divisible by 7. So if you go on up trying the prime numbers, seeing if it's divisible by the other prime numbers that you know, and then if you can't think of any, then most likely it is prime. So 37 is prime. Okay, let's take, for example, the number 51. Okay, well, 51 is not even, so it might be prime, we're not sure yet. But 51 divided by 3, do you know what that is? 51 divided by 3 is actually 17. So 3 times 17 equals 51. And then we also know, obviously, that 1 times 51 equals 51. So there it has more than two factors. 51 is not prime. Therefore, it would be a composite number. Okay, and let's see, how about 67? Well, let's see, 67 divided by 2. No, it's not even, can't do that. 67 divided by 3. Don't believe that works. 67 divided by 5. No. 67 divided by 7. 67 divided by, what's the next prime number? 11? No, that wouldn't be it. 67 divided by 13. I think also 67 is prime. So that was just a few quick examples of prime and composite. If it usually, again, it's going to be prime, number is going to be prime if it's divisible by 1 in itself, and those are the only factors. And then a number is going to be a composite number if it has another factor besides 1 in itself that can be multiplied to get that number. Okay, you can think of a summary for these notes here, and I will see you on the next video.